Alright, so to get started, all you need is a spray bottle, a Denman brush and a wide tooth comb, although I'm going to try to finger detangle as much as possible, Camille Rose Curl Maker, and Creme of Nature's Curl Activator Cream. I'll drop the links to these products in the video description, but yeah. I already did a few twists, but I wanted to show you guys how the Denman brush makes my curls look as opposed to finger detangling, which I did with the first few twists in a majority of my hair. So I wet my hair and brushed it a few times, and you can see how the Denman brush really defines my curls, with or without product, as long as my hair is wet. That's essential. Your hair has to be wet for the curls to pop, and that's why I love using this brush. Now I'm putting the curl maker and curl activator on my hair, and you can see how it gives it way more definition. As you can see, my twists aren't really as neat as far as my roots being puffy, and I use my fingers to part most of my hair. Honestly, your twists don't have to be neat and in cute little sections for your curls to pop, like for real. Plus, I only had these in for a few hours to get the results I wanted, so you don't even have to wear this style for long if you have somewhere to go later. And I forgot to show how much of each curl product I used, but I'll show it on the last two twists I'm about to skip to. And excuse my face while I was twisting my hair. I don't know what was going on with my lips, but sometimes I tend to make a lot of ugly or weird faces while I'm doing my hair. Yeah, so just excuse that. I do like my hair to be a little drenched so I can get more slip from products, so I always make sure to have a towel in my lap or around my neck. Also, as you can see, I started using two hands on my spray bottle because the products made my hands really slippery, which is another reason to have a towel. I use quarter-sized amounts for each twist. The clear consistency is the Camille Rose product and the white one is Creme of Nature. As I mentioned earlier, the finger detangling method is what I use mostly to avoid a lot of friction and tension pulling my hair strands. You can see my hair starting to curl up from the products already, so you know they're about to be bomb after I take my twist down. Like I said in my video description, I combined Camille Rose and Creme of Nature together mainly because I was trying to take this time to use up some of my natural hair products that were just sitting around because I usually have my hair in braids as a protective style. Also, I've used both products on their own and it really didn't give me the results I was looking for, so luckily I didn't give up and decided to combine them. Notice how you don't really see my twist coated in white from the products. This is something I liked, and I really think it was because not only did I combine it with a clear colored product, but also when I used Camille Rose by itself, I noticed that it was very lightweight and it did dry faster than other products I've used in the past. I would compare it to when I used to wear Shea Moisture's curling gel souffle. The consistency is almost identical, but Camille Rose is way thicker. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop talking for now and finish up this last twist so you guys can see how bomb it looked when I took it down. So I'm back and I'm cute. And here's the fun part. So I'm taking down my twist and I'm going to rub a dime-sized amount of Jamaican black castor oil on my hands to add a little moisture to my twist because they are mostly dry. I left them in my hair for about 4 hours and they're still a tiny bit damp, but that's what I'm going for because as you're about to see, it makes my curls pop and look juicy. 4 hours is a pretty quick turnaround time for styles like this, but I think my results once again had a lot to do with the amount I put in my hair and how Camille Rose's curl maker dries fast, as I mentioned earlier. Now I know y'all see how there's little to no residue left in my hair, like no annoying little white spots or nothing. I really think I found the perfect combo and I'm loving it, period. I'm going to show some close-up views also so you guys can see how residue is basically non-existent. Like, I was shook. Okay, so here's the final result, and I am in love, guys. Like, I just tucked the front of my hair behind my ears, and that's it. My curls really showed out, and I am proud. I did add a clip at the end of how my hair looked fully dry almost 2 days later, and I was once again loving the results. Alright, so thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, Jakira G, for more videos of my natural hair journey.